Take a look at this channel called Franz. It already has over 23,000 subscribers, yet the creator has uploaded only 6 videos so far. The channel is monetized, getting massive views, and the surprising part is how simple the content is to make. These videos can be created using just 3 free AI tools. In this video, I'll show you the exact process step by step. Watch until the end because once you see how simple it is, you'll be able to create similar videos in any niche you want. Now, if you watch any of their videos, you'll notice that the creator keeps the process very simple. Most of the content is created using AI-generated images combined with an AI voiceover, yet the videos still manage to attract a large number of views. The best part is that you don't need any advanced editing skills or expensive software to achieve similar results. In the next few steps, I'll show you exactly how to create this type of video from start to finish in under 10 minutes. Before we get started, I've already done the hard work for you and prepared a document containing 2 powerful master prompt templates. The first template will help you generate complete documentary-style scripts, while the second template is designed to create high-quality AI images for your videos. To make things easier, I've included the link to this document in the video description below, so you can access and use both templates whenever you need them. First, copy the entire script generation prompt from the document file. Once you've copied it, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt into the prompt box, then click Generate. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will start generating multiple documentary topic ideas for you. If you don't like the suggested topics, simply type more topics and click Generate again. ChatGPT will instantly provide additional ideas. Alternatively, if you already have a specific topic in mind, just enter it and ChatGPT will generate a complete documentary script for that topic in just a few seconds. Once your script is ready, we can move on to the next step. Now, open a new ChatGPT chat. Go back to the document file and copy the second prompt template. Paste it into the new ChatGPT chat and click Generate. ChatGPT will understand the instructions contained within the prompt and will ask you for script scenes. To make the process easier to follow, I recommend using split screen mode, with your generated script on one side and the new ChatGPT window on the other. Copy a small section of the script and paste it into the new chat. As soon as you do that, ChatGPT will convert that section into a detailed image generation prompt. Continue copying and pasting small script segments until the entire script has been converted into image prompts. Once all of your image prompts are ready, it's time to move on to the next step. Next, open Flow AI and create a new project. Copy the image prompts from ChatGPT and paste them into the Flow AI prompt box one by one. Generate an image for each prompt until you've converted your entire script into a complete collection of visuals. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient and make sure every image prompt is turned into an image. By the end of this step, you'll have all the images needed for your documentary video. Once your images are ready, open Microsoft Clipchamp. The app is available both on the web and through the Microsoft Store, although I'm using the desktop version for this tutorial. Select the text-to-speech feature, and you'll see a text-to-speech clip already added to the timeline. Click on it, and on the right-hand side you'll find a script box. Return to the ChatGPT window where your documentary script was generated, copy the entire script, and paste it into the Clipchamp script box. Next, browse through the available AI voices and preview them one by one until you find the voice that best matches your video style. After selecting your preferred voice, click Save to generate the narration. Once the voiceover has been created, click Export and choose Audio Only. Your AI-generated voiceover will then be saved and ready to use in the final video. Now for the final step, open CapCut, and import both the AI voiceover file and all of the images you generated using Flow AI. Start by dragging the voiceover onto the timeline, then begin adding your images in the correct order to match the narration. For this particular project, I'll also need a custom background image. To create it, I'll go back to Flow AI, select one of the generated images, and ask the AI to remove all of the characters, text, and drawn lines while keeping only the background. Once the edited image is ready, I'll download it and use it as the main background throughout the entire video. This helps create a consistent visual style and makes the final documentary look much more professional. Next, I'll use CapCut's cutout feature to remove any unwanted parts of the images, keeping only the elements that are important for the scene. Once the unnecessary parts have been removed, I'll start adding animations to bring the visuals to life and make each scene more engaging. One technique I frequently use is returning to Flow AI to create slight variations of existing images. You can use this technique whenever you need small visual changes without altering the entire image. Continue working through the script scene by scene. Add the relevant images, remove any unwanted elements, apply animations, and make sure every visual supports the story being told. The goal is to create meaningful scenes that match the narration and keep viewers engaged throughout the entire video. Depending on the length of your documentary, this step may take some time, so don't rush the process. Once you've completed the entire edit, watch the video from beginning to end and look for any areas that could be improved. Make any final adjustments, refine the timing, and ensure that the visuals, animations, and voiceover all work together smoothly. When everything looks polished and professional, export the video in 4K quality. And that's it. Your documentary-style video is now complete and ready to upload.
There's a behavior in the animal world that looks uncomfortably close to something we associate with ourselves. A group of crows gathers around a single dead crow. They do not feed. They do not immediately leave. They do something else entirely. They call out. They circle. They stare. And for several minutes, sometimes even longer, the area becomes filled with a strange kind of tension. Like an event is unfolding that none of them fully understand, yet all of them feel compelled to witness. Most people assume this is grief, a kind of funeral, a mourning ritual, but science tells a more complicated story. Because what appears to be mourning may actually be something far more fundamental to survival. A live experiment in danger assessment, a public information exchange, a neurological event where memory, fear, and learning collide in real time. And yet, that explanation still doesn't fully close the case.
And that's it. Your video is now ready to upload and start attracting views. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.